Hello, I'm Ratna and welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing good today. This is a gardening segment and we will see how we can upcycle empty glass bottles to planters and pots. Please stay tuned. Milk, coffee powder, pickles, jams and several other food items come in glass bottles of great size and shape. Once empty, they can be used for growing indoor plants. This saves money and reduces waste. So first we need to remove those stickers. We can soak it in water for half an hour and then peel it and scrub it. Or you can run a hairdryer on high setting for a minute or two and then peel it off. Or you can run it in a microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and then peel it off. Make sure there is no metal ring around the bottleneck or aluminum residues on the bottle mouth. If not, the bottle will explode. For sticky residues, you can apply vegetable oil spray and let it sit for 5-10 minutes and then scrub it off with soap and aluminum scrub or Scotch-Brite. The bottles are now squeaky clean. We can use it as is or we can decorate the bottles. We can slip an old bracelet or tie a bow using a fancy lace or glue a figurine or just place it next to it. Or wrap a colored duct tape. Or spray paint it. You'll need a couple of gloves, a safety goggle, a cap, and a mask. First, we need to spray a white primer. After an hour, we can spray any color paint of your choice. I'm using a metallic silver color. Now we can invert the bottle and spray paint the mouth. After 1 hour, we can apply a clear paint to protect the color paint. After 24 hours, we can put water and plant in it. Using a macrame hanging basket, we can hang bottles. It's very easy to make. We need to cut 76 inches of cotton rope plus the width of the bottle. Mine is about 4 inches, giving a total of 80 inches. So we need a total of 4 80-inch ropes. We need to fold it in half and tie a knot. Pull each string individually to make sure it is a tight knot. Now we need to take 2 ropes and tie a knot. Next, we need to take 2 adjacent ropes and tie a knot. Finally, we'll tie a knot with all ropes together at the bottom. Now, the basket is ready. Similarly, we can grow plants in soil. For drilling a hole, you need a pair of gloves, a safety goggle, and any regular drill. First, we need to fill a basin with just enough water to immerse the bottle upside down. Now we need to drill using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Using this hole, you can drill bigger holes if needed. I'm fine with this and the bottle is ready. Now we can fill 3/4 the bottle with a good potting mix. And then we can place the plant and fill the remaining. We can place the bottle lid as the saucer and that will contain excess water coming off of drainage hole. Also, glass bottles make excellent flower vase. for fresh flowers as well as for dried flowers. I hope you love cycle glass bottles too. That's all for today's segment. In case you liked it, then please do subscribe. If you're okay with channel notifications, then press the bell icon. See you in another segment. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.